Hey guys, I'm Miss Erica. Most of you guys already know me, but for those of you who don't, I'm your special education resource teacher. Now, let me go ahead and put on my face mask. All right, so when you first arrive, you're gonna get your temperature taken, and all the teachers get their temperature taken as well. So I'm gonna get my temperature taken.
Please get clothes for taking temperature.
I'm getting close.
Normal temperature.
Let's go. Let's go down to my classroom. All right, this is Miss Erica's class. Let's take a look. So here we have our birthday wall for your birthdays. And here are our desks where we can sit. And each chair has your own little basket underneath to keep your things in. And each of your chairs is going to be labeled with your name. So you each have your own chair. Here is our restroom where you can practice washing your hands. This is the fridge where we can put your artwork. Here is our classroom library. Those are all the books separated by reading level. And then here are your book baskets over here. And then this is the book hotel, where once you're finished with a book, you can put it in here so that it can get all clean once you're done with it, so that someone else can look at it later. Book hotel! So back here we have kind of like our reading writing area. So this is where we'll be doing reading writing things at the table and over here at the whiteboard. And we have a new writing center this year. And I need new pictures and writings to put on our writing center wall. That's my picture. All right, I think that's it. So thank you so much for coming along with me to take a look at my classroom and see all the things that we're doing to keep you safe. I'll see you guys when you come on Monday or Wednesday. Bye!